Anytime you have wood outside, whether it's a set of steps like this or a wood deck or a walkway, sooner or later it's going to get dirty, and that means it's going to get slick and dangerous. So the first step in preventing any slip and fall is to clean it thoroughly with a deck cleaner or a deck brightener. That'll open up the pores of the wood and naturally will make it have a little more traction and keep it from being so slippery. But you can also add some of these peel and stick abrasive strips that go right along the front of the steps. That'll help quite a bit. Or you can use some of the larger sizes that are available too, some even with a little fluorescent strip. But I'm also seeing a lot of manufacturers creating an anti-slip, slip-resistant coating that's perfectly clear, and after everything's nice and clean, you spray this over the treads, and that's a very inexpensive way to make your stairs a lot safer.